So in previous video we have discussed about North America, South America, and in this video we will discuss about African continent. Before entering in African continent, you have to know Africa continent called as dark continent. Why it is called as dark? Because here least research and development, and behind least research and development some factors are responsible. Like if you will see in northern region of if you will see in northern region of African continent, here Saharan desert is situated. In eastern region of African continent, high mountain plateaus and rift valleys are situated. In this region also another desert is situated, and middle of African continent dominated by some tribals which are living since very ancient time, like pygmy and all. So this is all about uh, um, this is all about causes of behind least research and development in Africa. But in this time many type of development research are being processed. So before entering into physical landscape, you have to know country and their capital location, because in some time question can be asked on location of countries, and their capital also can be asked match the following with country and capital. So first of all we will see countries and their capital. Here you can see Morocco is situated. Morocco, and Rabat is capital of Morocco. In east side of Morocco you can see Algeria, and Algiers is capital of Algeria. Then you can see Tunisia. Tunis is capital of Tunisia. Libya capital is Tripoli. Then Egypt also in some time Egypt called as an Misr. However Misr was broad area in ancient time, but in this time in some time Egypt called as an Misr. Sudan and Khartoum is capital of Sudan. Egypt, Cairo is capital of Egypt. Here you can see Eritrea. Asmara is capital of Eritrea. Ethiopia, Addis Ababa is capital of Ethiopia. Somalia, Mogadishu is capital of Somalia. Djibouti is capital of Djibouti. Here one thing you have to remember, these four countries called as an Horn of Africa. Horn of Africa, which contain Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti and Somalia. In south of Ethiopia and Somalia, Kenya country is situated, and Nairobi is capital of Kenya. Then Tanzania, Dodoma is capital of Tanzania. Mozambique is situated here, and Maputo is capital of Mozambique. Here one Iceland you can see Madagascar. Madagascar. Anantarivo is capital of Madagascar. You can see here South Africa. South Africa, and Pretoria is capital of South Africa. If you see very carefully, here another country is situated, which is Swaziland. Swaziland is landlocked country within South America, South Africa. Here Swaziland, and Mbabane is capital of Swaziland. Here Namibia. Windhoek is capital of Namibia. This Namibia is related with Project Cheetah, which was between India and Namibia. Also South Africa was included in Project Cheetah. Here Angola. Luanda is capital of Angola. Here Democratic Republic of Congo. Kinshasa is capital of Democratic Republic of the Congo. Here only Republic of the Congo. Brazzaville is capital of Republic of the Congo. It is very important to know Democratic Republic of Congo and Republic of Congo both are different countries. Here Gabon, and Libreville is capital of Gabon. Here Cameroon, and Yaoundé is capital of Cameroon. Here you can see Nigeria. Abuja is capital of Nigeria. Here you can see Benin. Porto Novo is capital of Benin. This country is called as Togo. This country is called as Togo, and Lome is capital of Togo. Then Ghana, capital of Ghana is Accra. Cote d'Ivoire is situated here, and Yamoussoukro is capital of Cote d'Ivoire. Here another one thing about Cote d'Ivoire, Yamoussoukro is official capital of Cote d'Ivoire, but de facto capital is Abidjan. Liberia. Monrovia is capital of Liberia. Sierra Leone. Freetown is capital of Sierra Leone. Guyana. Conakry is capital of Guyana. Guinea-Bissau. This country is called as Guinea-Bissau, and Bissau is capital of Guinea-Bissau. The Gambia. Banjul is capital of the Gambia. Senegal. Dakar is capital of Senegal. Now Mauritania. Nouakchott is capital of Mauritania. So Western Sahara. Lyon is capital of Western Sahara. So these are countries which are situated in coastal region of African continent. Now we will see landlocked countries of African continent. Now we will see landlocked countries of African continent. So first of all, here you can see Mali. Bamako is capital of Mali. Burkina Faso. Ouagadougou is capital of Burkina Faso. Niger. Niamey is capital of Niger. Chad. And Jamina is capital of Chad. Central African Republic. Bangui is capital of Central African Republic. Democratic Republic of Congo, I have discussed. South Sudan. Juba is capital of South Sudan. Uganda. Kampala is capital of Uganda. Rwanda. Kigali is capital of Rwanda. Burundi. Bujumbura is capital of Burundi. Zambia. Lusaka is capital of Zambia. Zimbabwe. Harare is capital of Zimbabwe. Botswana. Gaborone is capital of Botswana. So these are countries which are situated in African continent. Now we will see northernly, southerly, easternly and westernly countries of African continent. Then we will see a Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator passing from which are countries. So if you look at here, Tunisia is northernly country of African continent, and South Africa is southerly country of African continent. Here Somalia is easterly country of African continent, and Senegal is westernly country of African continent. Now we will see Tropic of Cancer, where Tropic of Cancer is passing. You can see here, from here Tropic of Cancer is passing. That means from west it is passing from Western Sahara, then Mauritania, then Mali, then Algeria, then Niger, then Chad, then Libya, then Egypt and then Red Sea. Equator is passing from here. Equator is passing from here. That means here Sao Tome is situated. Sao Tome is situated. Then Gabon, Republic of the Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, and also Equator is passing from Victorian Lake, then Kenya and then Somalia. From here Tropic of Capricorn is passing. That means Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, Mozambique and then Madagascar. So we have shown if Tropic of Capricorn and all other virtual line where is passing. Now we will see physical landscape of Africa, and with physical land of Africa we will see important places and important locations of Africa. This is this is physical map of Africa, and this is political map of Africa. Now if you look at here, if you look at here, Atlas mountain is situated. Atlas mountain. Atlas mountain is situated, and Mount Topkal is highest peak of Atlas mountain, and Atlas mountain divided into three mountain: anti-Atlas mountain, Saharan Atlas mountain, and high Atlas mountain. Here anti-Atlas, here Saharan Atlas, here high Atlas, high Atlas is also highest area of Atlas mountain. And if you see in Morocco, Marrakech city is situated. Marrakech important for some reasons, like Marrakech called as religious capital, also called red city, because red clay popularly found here, so that's why due to red clay its city called as red city. Third is, here phosphate is found, here phosphate and sulfate is found here. That's why chemical industries are highly developed here. So now we will see Algeria. Algeria is situated here, and Algiers is capital of Algeria, and this region of African continent situated in Mediterranean Sea, and due to Mediterranean climate here large number of juicy fruit production, and due to large number of juicy fruit production, food processing industries are highly developed here. And if you will see here, Strait of Gibraltar is situated. Strait of Gibraltar. Gibraltar is situated. What is strait? I have discussed in North America and South America. If you don't know, you can go and watch there. So, Strait of Gibraltar isolate African continent from Europe. It is Europe and Africa, and also joint Mediterranean Sea to Atlantic Ocean. So in many time question about Gibraltar has been asked. So here you should remember it. This region is also popularly known for oil reserve. Oil reserve. That's why oil refineries are highly developed here. And when we talk about Libya, Tripoli is capital of Libya, and Tripoli is world hottest place. So you have to remember it. Now we will see in Egypt. Here one seaport is situated called as Alexandria. And this seaport is Cairo. Cairo situated in mouth of Nile River. Alexandria is largest seaport of Africa. Largest seaport. And this seaport majorly used for exportation of cotton and rice, because Nile River basin majorly used for production of rice and cotton. That's why textile industries are highly developed there and all. So if we will talk about Nile River basically originated from Lake Victoria. White Nile River. White Nile River. Lake Victoria. On verge of Lake Victoria, here one dam is situated, which is called as Owen Dam. Owen Dam. And from here Nile River is originated. It is White Nile River, and from here one lake is situated, which is known as Lake Ashal. Lake Ashal basically deepest place of Africa as well. And from Lake Ashal, Blue Nile River is originated and lies into White Nile River, and lies in Khartoum. Another tributary river of Nile originated from Lake Tana. It's called as Lake Tana. One river originated from here and lies into White Nile River. river called as Athbara. And here here in border between Egypt and Sudan, you can see one lake is situated. This lake is called as Lake Nasser. Lake Nasser. And ahead of Lake Nasser in Sudan, in Egypt, one another dam you can see, Lake Aswan, Dam Aswan. Aswan Dam is situated here. Aswan Dam is situated here. So these are landscape, important location, important. Nile River is one major fact about Nile River. Nile River is longest river of world. Nile River is called as longest river. When in Khartoum, when White Nile River and Blue Nile River merge with each other, that river become as an Nile River. Blue Nile. In Blue Nile River, before merging into White Nile River, here you can see one dam which is called as Sennar Dam. So these are important facts about Nile River. Now we will see Sinai Peninsula. Their Suez Canal was made in 1869, and Suez Canal reduce distance between Mediterranean Sea to Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. This peninsula called as Sinai Peninsula. Sinai Peninsula. What is peninsula? I have discussed in North and South America. You can go and watch there. And if we will see total location between Port Said to Port Suez, here Port Said is situated. Port Said. Here Port Suez is situated. If we see here Port Said, to Port Suez, 3 lakes are situated between Port Said and Port Suez. First is called as Lake Timsha. Second is called as Legret bitter. Legret bitter. Another is called as little bitter. Little bitter. So these are licks, and when we talk about the whole peninsula, if this is Sinai Peninsula, here Port Shed, here Port Suez, Lake Timsa, Great Bitter Lake, Small Bitter Lake. Here one gulf is situated, in this side another gulf is situated. This gulf is called as Gulf of Suez. I have discussed about Gulf in North America. This Gulf is called as Gulf of Aqaba. Gulf of Aqaba. This side Gulf called as Gulf of Aqaba. This side of Gulf called as Gulf of Suez. This is Mediterranean Sea and this is Red Sea. So you can say Suez Canal isolates African continent from West Asia and joins Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. So in this video this is enough. I will discuss further in my next video.